flawless skin gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Select Kalyu. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, from what the title says, I'm going to be showing you 10 ingredients that must be in your black soap. Into the business of the day, I'm sure you guys have noticed that our background has changed. I'm trying to put out more videos like this, so I'm testing out backgrounds to see what I like and what you people like as well. So this is just my first test. If you see me looking this way, know that there's a TV here, so I keep looking at myself. So before we get into the video of today, if you like this whole setup and you would like to see something like this more, leave a comment in the comment section so that we could explore more backdrops like this. Today's video is, should I say sponsored? It's not sponsored, but we have a little ad that we're going to be doing. So I'm wearing this beautiful hair is by Hairsandhersbynina. This is their box. Really cute box. It comes like this beautiful looking case, and it opens like so, and then you see your hair inside. So this was a 200 gram bundle and a 16 inches frontal, and it's an 18 inches, I think 18 inches. So I'm going to leave her details down in the description. She has beautiful hair. She's based in Nigeria, but she ships everywhere in the world. She has beautiful hairs, and just tell her you're from me and you will get a discount. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about 10 ingredients that you must include in your black soap. Now, if these ingredients are not in your black soap, sorry, then I don't know what exactly you're putting in your black soap. These 10 ingredients are some of the most essential ingredients that must be in your black soap, and I'm going to talk about them one by one. I'm trying not to talk for too long because my battery is running low. So the first thing, of course, is your black soap. Now, to make black soap, you need black soap, of course. Now you can use the Nigerian black soap, or you can use the Ghana black soap, or you can use Dudu Osun, whatever black soap that you can find, but you need a black soap as your base to make your black soap. The second ingredient is rice powder. Rice powder is very essential in your black soap. Rice powder has folic acid and allantoin, which makes it a very good sunscreen. It's also a good exfoliating agent. It is skin lightening. It helps with pimples and wrinkles, and also rice has phytic acid in it, which makes rice a very essential ingredient for your black. Now, our second ingredient would be shea butter. Shea butter has high concentration of fatty acids and vitamins. It also has antioxidant properties, and due to its fatty acid, it is said to be skin lightening. So our next ingredient would be licorice root powder. Now, so the skin lightening compound found in licorice powder is called licoritin, and it is said to help with hyperpigmentation. It basically inhibits the enzymes called tyrosines, which helps with lightening up hyperpigmentations and generate dark spots and all that. The advantage of licorice root powder over other conventional skin lighteners is that it doesn't have any photosensitivity, so you can use licorice root powder in your formulations, in your creams, in your soaps, and you don't have to get scared of going out in the sun as compared to other skin lightening ingredients. So that's one very good ingredient right there. You don't have to wear sunscreen or have the fear of having sunburn after using licorice root powder. So that's one advantage it has over other skin lightening. Licorice is very good with rashes, redness of the skin, itching, swelling, puffiness, and all that. And not only licorice root powder, even the white licorice powder is very good with hyperpigmentation. It's very good with rashes. I remember when I had some kind of skin reaction, and I made a formulation using sepia white and licorice root powder, and within about 5 days the flaking had gone and my skin became very smooth. So licorice root powder is one very essential ingredient that you don't want to leave out when making your skincare formulation, especially when making your black soap. Now the next ingredient that we're going to talk about today is camwood powder. Now camwood naturally contains antioxidants. It helps regulate blood circulation to the skin area and removes toxins from the skin layer. Now it can also protect from wrinkles. It can give your skin the firmness, luminosity, and improve your skin elasticity, and basically help with aging. So if you include camwood powder in your black soap, be rest assured that any form of premature aging will be gone. It helps blur out wrinkles. It helps with puffiness, especially under eye. It helps with generally it's a very good ingredient. Now there's one thing that I have come to love so much that I can't keep to myself. Now we all know that earth clays are very good for the skin. It helps draw out toxins from the skin. Clay helps absorb oil from your skin and prevent mild forms of acne. It also helps draw out toxins from your skin. So basically it's a very good ingredient, especially if you're using it in your black soap. I have a black soap that I made sometime in my channel. You can go, I'm going to leave a link up here for you guys to watch that video. I made a black soap and I incorporated clays in it. My god, it is an amazing ingredient. Not just for your black soap, it is also good for your skin. I use this clay mask every once in a week and my skin is beautiful. Now that's one secret ingredient that is always in any of my soaps, be it promixed soap or my black soap. I always add clays into my black soap. You can use bentonite clay, curling clay, fuller earth clay, whichever clay that you want. Go online, Google it, find out the one that best suits your skin, and then incorporate it into your soap formulation. And trust me, you will love it. You will love it. Now the next ingredient that is so vital for your skin is neem powder. Neem powder is very essential when it comes to black soap because it helps with rashes. It helps with any form of skin reaction that you have. Neem powder will help clear them. Now neem powder helps in also healing the skin. It helps with any form of skin reaction. Any form of skin reaction you have, use neem powder or neem oil and you will get a very good result. Now our final ingredient is the sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder helps treat acne and blemishes. It can also help with sunburn and dullness of the skin. It also has some skin lightening properties in it. So incorporating that into your black soap will help you, you know, rid of any form of skin reaction, be it eczema, pimples, rashes, sunburn, rash, whatever, flaking of the skin. This, incorporate all these ingredients in your black soap and you will love your skin in the next 5 days, because you will see great result. First, your clay will help rid of your skin of any form of toxins, and then you will have a flawless skin. Your rice powder is some form of exfoliant, and also clays are also some sort of exfoliant. So incorporating clays into your soap will help you exfoliate your skin mildly, without any peeling, without any harshness. It gently exfoliates your skin and gives you a radiant, flawless skin. Now imagine having this in all these ingredients in your black soap, and then you add other ones like botanical powders, like your, you know, fruit powders and all other powders. Imagine how beautiful that soap would be. Yes, you want to incorporate all these ingredients in your black soap to get a radiant skin. Now this video was made mainly to test out our background, and yeah, I'm loving the background. Yes, I am loving this background, guys. I can't. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for coming to watch this video. If you like this background, which we're changing it around, making sure that, you know, we have the best setup for you guys to suit what we do. Now this channel, I wanted to, you know, create another channel that will be like a lifestyle beauty channel, but I thought, why, when I already have you guys here? So for now, we're going to be incorporating other kinds of videos into our regular skincare formulation videos, reviews and tips for skincare. So we're going to be incorporating lifestyle videos, we're going to be incorporating makeup videos, we're going to be incorporating how to set up your YouTube channel, background or studio, how to grow on YouTube and social media generally, and a whole lot of other very interesting tips that we are going to be doing on this video, on this channel. If you would like to see those kinds of videos, leave a comment in the comment section, and make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell, hit the like button, leave me a comment in the comment section, and I will be glad to do those videos for you. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers, guys. I'm super excited because we're hitting 1,000 subscribers in a few. That's why, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe right now. Not like now. Make sure you subscribe now. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I can't wait. And we are halfway through our 4,000 watch hours. So you guys keep watching my videos, keep watching from the beginning to the end, because that's how I can, you know, get to my 4,000 watch hours. And I really do appreciate you guys. I can't say it enough. I really appreciate you guys for always coming to see my videos, even if I'm blabbing, even if I'm, you know, sometimes annoying, but you guys still come through and you watch my videos back to back to back. I am really grateful. I can't wait to bring to you guys all other things that I have in store for you guys. And I'm super excited because, you know, we're growing. It's no longer just my hands. I'm not used to this thing yet, so I keep looking at the screen. I guess maybe I'll move the screen to in front of me so that it's easy for me to or I just turn, I don't know, I'll figure it out. So yes guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for stopping by.